Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear one next to three dots. Then click on voice typing option and click on this switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Finally, click on microphone icon and choose while using the app in the pop-up. When you finished typing, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!